Hey guys, welcome to our Tech Power of Mind. My name is Mohit Vashne, and in today's video, I have come with a 3 hiring update. First is coming from SCL Tech, second is Tata Elxsi, and the third is Bungie Company. So all 3 companies are hiring for fresher college student. I will explain you each and everything, like what is the selection procedure, how to apply, what is the qualification required. So make sure you watch the video till the end and check out the other hiring also, because multiple companies hiring is still ongoing, like Agoda hai, Namayatri hai, Accenture hai. So do check out. Now talking about the first hiring update, it is coming for SCL Tech company. So SCL Tech company conducting a mega walk-in drive. Company has already mentioned it's a mega walk-in drive for the role of graduate trainee, and it's a non-tech role. So if you have interest in non-tech role, you can apply for this hiring and attend this walk-in drive. And the drive location is Noida. This is the complete address of Noida location SCL Tech, and the drive date is 19th of October, which is day after tomorrow, and the timing is 9:30 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. Talking about the qualification, so company has mentioned if you have done like BCA, BSc, BA, BCom, BBA, BE, Tech, then you are eligible for this hiring. From any branch you are eligible for this hiring, and this job has marks criteria also. So you must have at least 60% marks in your 10th, 12th, or in your graduation also with no active backlog, and your passing batch should be 24. Only one batch eligible for this hiring. And I repeat myself, it's a mega walk-in drive, so your selection chance is very high. So do attend this drive if you are eligible and you are living near to the Noida location. So this is the first hiring update. Now talking about the second hiring update, it is coming from Tata Elxsi company. So Tata Elxsi company conducting a hackathon. That name is Tata Elxsi Teleport Season 2, and the last date for this application is 14th of November. So make sure you apply before 14th of November. Talking about the qualification first. So company has mentioned if you are currently pursuing your BE, Tech, MEM Tech from any branch you are, like CS, IT, Electrical, Chemical, Civil, Mechanical, or XYZ also, you are eligible for this hiring, and your passing batch should be 25 and 26. Only these 2 passing batch eligible for this hiring. And the most important point, you cannot apply for this hiring individually. You have to make a team, minimum 2 member and the maximum 3 member. Then only you can apply for this hiring. It's a compulsory. Company has already mentioned. And the next point is team member must be from same college. So these are the 2 important requirements from company side. Now talking about the benefit and why should you apply for this hackathon. So company has mentioned you will get reward also, which is the prize money, which will be approximate 2 lakh, and apart from prize money you will get pre-placement offer. This is the main point, and company has already mentioned you will get a chance to work with company if you get shortlisted in this hackathon. Now talking about selection procedure and number of rounds. So company has mentioned there will be approximate 3 rounds. First round will be idea submission round, which will be start from 25th October, and the second round will be detailed submission round, which will be start from 1st of December, and the last round will be grand final. And in grand final round, top 5 team will have a chance to present their final submission to the panel of the company. So these are the 3 rounds which you have to face in this contest. Now talking about how to apply. So to apply purpose, I already attach a link in video description. Just click on the link, and once you click on the link, then this type of page will appear. You have to just click on register now option and fill all the required detail, and that's it. Your application will submit it. So this is the second hiring update. Now talking about the last hiring update, that is coming from Bungie company. So currently company is hiring for data engineer role, and it's an internship, and it's a remote internship, means it's a completely work from home job. Now talking about the qualification, so company has mentioned if you have done BE, Tech from CSIT branch, then you are eligible for this hiring, and your passing batch should be 23 and 24. Only these 2 passing batch eligible for this hiring, and you must have knowledge about one programming language. It may be Java, Python, C++, and plus basic knowledge of SQL also. So these are the required skills, and if you are interested for this role, just click on apply now option and fill all the required detail like first name, middle name, last name, email, upload a resume, the mobile number, phone number, and mention your education, and all our basic detail you can fill. And if you face any difficulty while filling a form, then please ask your query in comment section or Telegram or Instagram. I will definitely help you. So that's all for today. Thank you and goodbye.